So I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial today to demonstrate how to turn any pattern into a granny square. I've just quickly crocheted this round donut looking thing here just for the purpose of the demonstration. I'm not going to snip my yarn because I am just doing this for demo purposes and I don't like to waste yarn. For the demonstration you're going to need 3.5mm hook. Grab yourself 4 safety pins or 4 stitch markers. Now, what I'd like for you to do is make a decision on where your corners are going to be. So I'm going to do my first corner there, second corner there. I think we should put the third one about there. Because this doesn't have to be like mapped out to the T. This is the beauty of free crocheting. Your work will always even out. And one there. Now, what I'd like for you to do is now grab your contrasting yarn, or even the same yarn if that's what you're using. Just secure your yarn. So I just secure my yarn by going like that. We are going to start in a corner. I'm going to put my yarn through here. Again, secure. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet in that same space. So pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. So this accounts for 2 triple crochets. Chain 2. Because we need to make that corner. 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet in that next chain space. Triple crochet in that same stitch again. So we've now got one corner. We now need to decrease the stitches here to make kind of a straight line from here, but obviously we're going to peek back up here again to account for this rounded bit. So you're going to go ahead and do single crochet, another single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, and that's it. Then we've got our corner and our transition leading up to the next corner. What I would like for you to do now is bear in mind we've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains to put this transition in. I want you to count 6 up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to do 2 single crochets, and now I can go ahead and repeat this back up all the way here. So again, same pattern is applicable. Half double crochet, half double crochet again, double crochet, double crochet, and now let's go in with our triple crochets. Triple crochet, we need to do another triple crochet, chain 2 to define that corner. In the next stitch, 2 triple crochets, another triple crochet in that same stitch, there we go, there. So that's now starting to look like a square, and we're going to do that same process this way, and this way. If you've got the hang of it, you can stop watching the video now, but I will carry on just completing this. So in the next space, we're going to double crochet. Going to double crochet again in the next space. We're going to half double crochet in the next space. We're going to half double crochet in the next space, and I'm going to count 6 up this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, this time I can only do 1 single crochet. You may be following a pattern, but if you're 1 or 2 stitches up or down, it doesn't make a difference. Your work's going to even out. So I've put in like 3 single crochets here, but here I've only got 1 space. That's okay. So I'm going to do a half double crochet, half double crochet as usual, double crochet, double crochet again. Now we're going to go in with our triple crochets. Remember, we need to do 2 to really define the corner. Chain 2, and in the next space, triple crochet, but 2 of them. There we go. Same thing leading up to the next stitch marker. So 2 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, and now drop that stitch marker. The next corner needs to be about there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to get in about 2 single crochets again, which is different to what I've done here and here. So go ahead, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. Now we're going to start the triple crochet. Two in that same chain space, chain 2, next chain space, 2 triple crochets, that same chain space. I'm just doing my second triple crochet, next chain space, you guessed it, double crochet in the next space, half double crochet in the next space, and that's 2 of them. Now we need to do the half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet leading up to this. So I'm going to do a half double crochet, half double crochet, and I've actually only got space for 1 double crochet because my work is just so mismatched, the circle is so mismatched. So I'm just going to go ahead and assess my situation. I need a double crochet because this is too long and this is too short. So I'm going to whack a double crochet in and just improvise right next to that stitch. Make that a bit taller. Slip stitch. And voila. I do go ahead and block my free crochet work that I do. Go ahead and check out my other videos if you'd like to see how to DIY for free at home. But I hope this video was helpful for you. You'd follow that same pattern on any motif that you're making. If you'd like any other specific videos, any other requests, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.